This can void your roof warranty. When replacing your roof, one of the factors to look for is a comprehensive manufacturer's roof warranty that offers protection and peace of mind. However, that can evaporate if shoddy work or common mistakes void your warranty. Skylight installation. Any major roofing project, like adding skylights or roof penetration, can void your roof warranty. Skylights can boost your home's curb appeal. However, poor installation can significantly impact your roof's lifespan and your roof warranty as well. Use of unauthorized accessories on the roof. Avoid using unauthorized accessories on the roof. Using or installing prohibited accessories on the roof can automatically void your warranty. Your roofer should inform you about the unauthorized accessories or materials that can void your roof warranty. Use of pressure washing. While many homeowners enjoy the convenience of pressure washing when cleaning debris off the roof, this method can also damage your shingles. The warranty can be voided if the roof's damaged due to pressure washing. Using third-party components. Another thing you should avoid is using a third-party component. Unless certified or validated by the manufacturer, your warranty will be voided when you use roofing materials, accessories, or anything from a third party. Ponding or standing water. Depending on the warranty provided by your roofing contractor or the manufacturer, your warranty can also get voided when the roof damage is caused by ponding or standing water. High winds can void your roof warranty. Again, you need to check what warranties cover. Note that some warranties don't cover storm or roofing damages due to high winds. Contact Affordable Roofing Systems for any roofing needs. Affordable Roofing Systems is an award-winning roofing company providing complete roofing services in the Tampa Bay area. Call 813-542-8462 or visit www.affordableroofingflorida.com for a free estimate. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.